Well, this is day 11 from my knee replacement. So today, it was a bit better day than yesterday. I'm still not sleeping well. So I had maybe 2.5, 3 hours sleep last night. But, until I can sort of lay in a position that I'm comfortable in, I see there being a bit of a problem. But anyway, so today I noticed that the bruises in my legs are getting better. They have been getting progressively better as time has gone on. The swelling, it's still there, but maybe it's better. I have motion, I have motion in my leg that I didn't have on some days. So I would assume that the swelling in the knee has gone down a fair bit. So that's today. I'd went out today and we went to a big box store. I was able to walk around for, for 20 minutes. Started to get tired and then had to leave. And ended up being walking and in the car for, let's say, 2.5 hours. And I found that a little much. So when I got back, I'd lie down for a bit, put some ice on my knee, and then I put some heat on my legs, calf and thigh, to try and just sort of help with the pain that I was feeling because of being caught out for too long today. So that's how today's gone. So was out about. I wasn't driving. I was just a passenger. So it's it was a fairly good day. And these things happen. I gotta get out more and walk around more, just to help the healing process as well. So it's not. I wasn't told not to get out, not to do anything. But that's today. And I had someone ask me in one of the videos about what happened to my knee. How did I get to the position that I'm in today? Well, in the summer of 2020, I tore my meniscus, and the meniscus tear went into the knee void and just ended up causing arthritis. And because we were in the middle of a pandemic, I couldn't get in to see a doctor. So by the time I got in to see a doctor, it was, fall of 2021. And I was told at that time that I was a perfect candidate for knee replacement because cartilage was almost gone, arthritis had taken it. And he said the only problem was my age because I was mid-50s. I was too young, really, to them to want to do a knee replacement right off the bat. So you have to jump through some hoops. And so I had a knee surgery in November of 2021 to clean up the meniscus tear and just give me as much chance as possible of walking for as long as possible. And then every 6 months I was getting knee injections, and it was a Synvisc gel that I was getting injected with. So in November of 2022, I was told that I needed to get a knee replacement and that there was nothing more that they could do. But how things go, nothing's simple. I could not get I could not put my name on the list because I was looking after my wife, who had been diagnosed in the fall of 2021 with terminal cancer. So I was looking after my wife. I couldn't get the knee replacement when he suggested it, so I couldn't put my name in because my wife was in palliative care, and I didn't know what was happening, and I couldn't take that 6, 12, whatever weeks it is to have my knee replaced. So my wife passed in March of this year, March last year, and in May I said, okay, there's no reason why I shouldn't have my name on the list now. Put my name on the list, and I'll get the knee replacement as soon as I can. So my name went in, and I was told that I would hear something in a certain amount of time, and it usually takes 6 months, 6 months and to a year or whatever. So I just kept on walking on it and getting my injections. And finally, in mid-December of 2023, I was getting out of my truck and my knee kind of folded in on me. And I grabbed the truck so I didn't fall. But to get from the truck to the house, I kept on having that occurrence happen. Sort of collapse, and you go down, and it just created a problem. So then I called the doctor who had been given my forwarding request by my surgeon that was taking care of the meniscus tear, and I phoned them, and this was this was like 17th or 18th of December, and I'm like, I need to get in to get a knee replacement. And they're like, oh, well, we can fit you in, mid-January. I'm like, what? You guys didn't call me? There's no like communication. You're waiting for me to call you. And, I've been waiting since May to get a knee replacement. It's like, really? I have to call? So anyway, they set it up for the 8th of January. And then a couple of days before Christmas, they called and they said, well, we can do you on the 29th. And so I'm like, okay, well, yeah, I'll take it, because the sooner I get it done, then the quicker I'll recover. So that was the setup. And so I went in on the 29th. I had the surgery, and I've taken a couple of weeks off of work. I'm gonna work from home after that couple of weeks. So it's just, I'm giving myself some time to heal up as well as I can, and to continue, doing the other stuff that I got to do. So yeah, a couple of weeks off of work, I can, do that, and then work from home for a while until I can handle driving into work for 15 minutes, 15 minutes in a car, and then sitting in a chair, and I've got to work this week on the stairs going into the basement here so that I can go home, because right now I'm at my parents' house, because that's where my support structure is. My kids, they have jobs. They can't take the time to look after me. So that's where I'm sitting here. So I got to work on the stairs, and once I get the stairs well and I'm not having problems, then I'll go home, and then I'll just be able to take care of myself. My parents are half an hour, 40 minutes away, so they can come in and help on, if there's something more that I need that I can't do myself. But that is my story, and that is day, like I said, 11 today. And I'll show you how my leg's doing. So this is how my leg looks today. The bruising is coming out. It looks really good compared to, 5 days ago. So I still have some bruising, but it's, just disappearing with the time. And on the other side, so I just have this bruise here, swollen area, and then down the calf. So a little bit more on this side now. So that's day 11. And it's one of those days where I think it was 2 steps forward. Although I was in pain in the afternoon after going out to the big box store, it wasn't. It was just a temporary pain, and gonna have to start walking a little bit more than what I'm walking. I'm doing the exercises still. So Friday morning, I go to my family doctor, and she's going to take the staples out. And then on Tuesday of the following week, I'll have my second physio appointment. And I'm going to do the physio for, I think it's 4 more weeks after. Yeah, 4 more weeks after that. Possibly 6. I can't remember if it took me right into March, I think. Now that I'm remembering, it took me into the first week of March. So that is where I'm at right now. Today I'm not the bug. Today I'm the windshield, right? So it's a good day. Take what you can get, right? So yeah, this is the end of day 11. Hopefully tonight I can get the knee to settle down, and I can get into a comfortable position, and I can get some more sleep. But hey, we'll keep our fingers crossed on that one, because I'm hoping for that, So that seems to be the biggest issue right now, is just when you stop moving and you want, you're trying to settle down, you're trying to get into, a sleep mode, and then you've got the knee going bang, 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 bang. That's a little hard. So yeah, other than that, what are you going to do, right? So anyway, that's the end of day 11. See you guys later. See you for day 12.